Hey there, Tri-5 enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of Classic Chevy Revival. I'm your host, Kevin, and today we've got a special treat in store. But before we get into that, I would like to say thank you to everyone who has watched, subscribed, and also commented on our videos. I try to read and answer these comments, and I appreciate those of you who have taken the time to correct my mistakes that I've made. You know, I try to be as accurate as possible, but sometimes my research or my knowledge is wrong. So thank you to everyone who has once again subscribed and commented. We appreciate it. And today we're going to dive into a brief look into the T-3 headlamps. It's a journey you don't want to miss. If you're passionate about Tri-5 Chevys or just love the artistry of classic automobiles, you're in the right place. So buckle up and let's embark on this classic Chevy revival adventure together. Imagine this. You're taking a trip down memory lane, revisiting an era when cars sported uncomplicated, standardized headlights. You know, if you were born after 1990, these days might be a distant memory for you, growing up in an automotive landscape dominated by composite headlamp assemblies, each uniquely tailored to specific makes and models. That might be your norm. So join us as we delve into the history of sealed beam headlights in the United States. And we're going to uncover their distinctive advantages and drawbacks along the way. So when did the first car headlights come out? Well, the first vehicle headlamps were officially introduced during the 1880s and were based on acetylene and oil, which were similar to the old gas lamps. So in essence, these two substances were used to fuel the headlamps. Although they were often praised for their resistance to air currents and challenging weather conditions, such as snow and rain, carbide lamps could present leaks and even explosions. They were also optional. Ford only turned them into standard equipment in 1909 on the open car Model T. These headlights became the preferred industry solution for driving at night until something better and more practical came along to replace them. And for approximately 45 years, United States regulations mandated the use of sealed beam headlamps. These one-piece glass units featured a bulb enclosed within a lens, sealed shut as a complete assembly, and these assemblies facilitated the easy replacement of burnt-out bulbs or cracked units. When a sealed beam headlight failed or broke, the entire unit had to be replaced, which was a cost-effective solution, and the best part? You could find replacement lamps guaranteed to fit your car at most auto parts stores. Sealed beam units epitomize simplicity and reliability, comprising several components such as a glass lens, a metal reflector, and metal or ceramic bulb, all housed in a metal enclosure. The sealed design protects the headlight from dirt and water, enhancing reliability and minimizing the risk of failure. These units are meticulously designed to project a specific beam of light at a predetermined angle and brightness level. The bulb, which is often triangular, is complemented by a metal reflector that focuses the light, and the lens then disperses the light beam for maximum visibility. The introduction of sealed beam headlamps in 1940 by the General Electric Company marked a groundbreaking design, easy to install on any vehicle and resistant to traditional bulb wear and tear. Quickly adopted as the industry standard, U.S. law mandated the use of two 7-inch round sealed beam headlamps for all cars between 1940 to 1956. In 1957, the law changed, allowing the use of 4 sealed beam headlamps, each measuring 5 3/4 inches around, with 2 serving as low beam and 2 as high beams. By 1975, all U.S. vehicles were required to have sealed beam headlamps, a design that remained largely unchanged for the next 30 years. However, with technological advancements like halogen bulbs, the sealed beam design evolved to incorporate more efficient lighting. And for those of you with classic Chevys or just classic vehicles featuring sealed beam headlamp units, maintaining the vehicle's original appearance is often a priority. Fortunately, many companies offer custom sealed beam headlight units that provide enhanced performance without altering the vehicle's aesthetics. And we'll place a few of these websites below. And no, we are not sponsored by any of them. These plug-and-play units, available in traditional round and square sizes, can be easily installed in place of the original headlamps. The T-3 design in '56 got the T-3 right in the middle of the ball. It also has 3 alignment pins, and those are what are used to be sure that the bulbs were tilting 3 degrees down and 3 degrees to the right, so they wouldn't blind the drivers coming at you. A side note, the foot-operated dimmer switch was introduced in 1927, which became standard for much of the century. And the last vehicle equipped with a foot-operated dimmer switch was in 1991 with the Ford F-Series trucks and the E-Series Econoline vans. And so that wraps up another episode of Classic Chevy Revival. I hope you enjoyed the journey into the history of these timeless classics, and if you're as passionate about Tri-5 Chevys as we are, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more nostalgic Tri-5 content. Please share your thoughts and memories in the comments below. Like I said earlier, we love hearing from our fellow enthusiasts. So check out our website, ClassicChevyRevival.com, and until next time, remember to drive and revive those Tri-5 Chevys. I'm Kevin, and I'll catch you in the next episode of Classic Chevy Revival.